Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet exciting update on how to enable dark mode on Discord for your PC. If you're tired of those bright screens during late-night gaming sessions or chats, this is for you. So, let's get started. First up, open your Discord app. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your details. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your usual server list and channels. Next, focus on the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll see a gear icon. This is the User Settings button. Click on it to access your settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, look for the section labeled Appearance. It's usually listed in the sidebar of the settings menu. Clicking on it will reveal different customization options for your Discord interface. Here comes the fun part. Under the Theme section, you'll see a few choices, including the default light theme. To enable dark mode, simply choose the dark theme from the options available. Just one click, and your Discord will transform into a stunning dark interface. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Discord, making those late-night conversations and gaming marathons much easier on the eyes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your sleek new Discord look.